Hey, what's up? So it's Monday and I'm working on the XT. Surprise. Yeah, actually usually on Monday I work on the HJ, but the customer's going to be here tomorrow, so I thought I'd leave the HJ until Friday, so it will still get work, just not today. Probably work on the HJ Friday and Saturday, actually, come to think of it. So yeah, recap. If you watched the last video, you will know that I got the back end of the car, all of this stuff, in polyurethane high fill. This stuff up here, it's a bit dusty. And I got all of the doors blocked and 500 orbital sanded like this. That's ready for paint. So are all the doors. There is a few little tiny rub throughs here and there. I've got to just tiny little spot prime on, but so last week I got all the doors and this guard done, and the boot. So today I started blocking down the polyurethane primer, so I got this side guard done, so that's ready for paint, and got this rear quarter done back here, so that rear quarter's ready for paint, minus the tiny little rub throughs, which is nothing. And I got, what's that, probably 3/4 of that door jamb rubbed down, ready for paint. So tomorrow I'll finish that off. It's just this bit here, not much at all. And then I'll do this door jamb. Then I'll do the roof. And then I'll skip over to the other side quarter panel and 2 door jambs. So, by the end of this week, by Thursday, this will be close to having everything on the external panels blocked down and ready for paint. Now I do still have to paint polyurethane primer on the inside of the doors, inside of the bonnet and inside of the boot, and give them a quick rub, but I'm going to do it, I'm going to thin it down a bit so it's not so hard to rub. Well, not that it is hard to rub, but I've been rubbing these down straight 500 grit, just these here, and it rubs pretty bloody easy, as you can see. Not much at all. That's ready for paint. Knock off time. Why am I working? Awkward. So the painter's going to hit this with a sealer before the colour goes on. So could probably get away with these little rub throughs with the sealer, but I'll spot prime them anyway, just to be sure. To be sure. So I was going to paint the engine bay myself, but now I know that the painter's going to be using a sealer in here. I'll leave it up to him. He's a much better painter than me, so yeah, he can do it. He loves painting. Anyway, I'll be back out here again tomorrow and we'll see how far we get. Be fantastic if I get most of it done tomorrow. I might run out of things to do. Now I've still got to coat the inside of these guards. I can do that. Oh, hang on. I've still got to coat the inside of these guards with bed liner, so I can do that if I run out of things to do. Yep. The only reason I'll run out of things to do is because I've got to get more primer, and that won't be here until Thursday. So, right. Anyhow, on that note, it's knock off time. I've got to push the HJ back in the shed and go inside and relax. Look at that. What a little... Doesn't matter. So, it's Tuesday, knock off time, and I got a bit done. When we left off yesterday, I think I had about a quarter of this to do, and this whole door jamb. I've done that, plus I've done the roof, and I have done this quarter panel along the back of the deck, and I've done this door jamb, which leaves me this door jamb to do, and the bonnet. I've got some primer coming Thursday, and the colour is also coming on Thursday. So I'll be able to prime the inside of the panels as well and rub those down, and then it's off for paint. She's nearly done, nearly done. So I'm going to push hard to get it done within a couple of weeks, and yeah, got a little bit of spot priming to do in the engine bay, but it's close. So yeah, I'm going to have to start thinking about getting the next customer in. Don't want him in here too early because I'm going to run out of room. Anyhow, I'll sort it out. Yeah, so I'm going to be out here tomorrow. I'll end up finishing off everything that I need to. And then Thursday I'll work on the HJ. And then Friday, if the weather's good, I'll do some priming on the inside of the doors and get this thing moving. Planning. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. So, do you notice something different? Yeah, I got the 240 up here for a bit. I'll explain why in a minute. But yeah, the XT, I've got everything, all the outer panels are now ready for paint. So I've just got to prime the inside and rub them down, and it can go for paint. Oh, hang on, I've got to do this panel up here. Forgot about that one, but that's all right. That's minor. So I'm waiting for primer. That'll be here later today. So I'm not working on the XT today. Let's go down the other shed. Oh, so good to be working down in this shed again. A bit more room around me. The HJ's down here for a bit because back in the day they used to drill holes in the pillars here and here. Not that one, that's your dome light switch. But this was for end rust. It was like a rust treatment, so they used to drill holes and so they could squirt their rusty stuff in there, and then I just put plastic plugs in. That doesn't look that good, so I'm going to weld them up. That's why the HJ is down here. But yeah, I've got to weld those up before I hit the rest of the body with primer. So I've got these ones on this side and the other side. So doing that today. I was going to work on it on Saturday too, but I've got to do that motorcycle tank. So we'll do the motorcycle tank on Saturday, and then next week I'll get a couple of days in on the HJ. Get this thing moving along. Yeah, so out here, I shifted that. Now I've got a big mess to clean up. But this is on the trailer because I'm trying to get it running. I've got it mostly all sorted out. I've got to get this wheel off. I don't have a lock nut key, so I'm going to go buy some lock nut removal tools. But yeah, I've got it all. I've got starter motor in it. I've got to do something with the airflow meter. I've got it there. I've just got to plumb it up somehow. And the reason why it's on the trailer is so I can get underneath the back here and play with the fuel pump to see if it's going to pump fuel. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to work out an external job somehow. But yeah, I'm going to get this thing running. If I can't get the fuel pump running this weekend, at least I might be able to squirt some stuff in the throttle body to see if it's going to bark off. So that's going to be my Sunday, unless I get taken away, because I never plan, because things always come up and interrupt my plans. Hi Woofy. Anyway, I'm going to get into the HJ. There you go, no more holes. All done on this side anyway. I still got to do the other side. But how I did it is roughly a 12mm hole, or what would that be, 7/16 head. So what I did was I got a 12mm headed bolt and I stuck it in and I welded it around, and then I cut the shaft off and smoothed it out. Bob's your uncle. Can barely even tell. So yeah, now I'm going to carry on. I've got a bit of filler work to do down along this seam here, and I'll work my way around the firewall there, and then I'll go over the other side and do the same thing. Oopsie, I had to re-drill this one because it's for the dome light switch. So yeah, re-drilled it. So my primer didn't show up yesterday. It's Friday today, so no priming on the XT today. So that means I'll be working on it tomorrow, Saturday. So today we're going to do this fuel tank. I've already started. This is a bit that I cut out. It's a new bit. It's not welded in yet, but I've also got to make the inside bit. Hang on, come around this side. So I've got to make that inside bit, and I've also got to do this side, inside and out. So I'm just going to make this bit up. I'm going to weld the two bits together while they're not welded in, because this is welded a special way so it seals, and I don't have the equipment to do that, so plug welds isn't going to seal it up. So I'm going to put them together, bronze the inside seam so it doesn't leak, and then I'm going to weld the whole lot in together. It's getting a epoxy liner anyway, so it'll help seal if there's any imperfections, but yeah, we'll make sure it's sealed up. Well, there you go, that's about half an hour later and I've made up the inside bit, so now I've just got to put them both together, inside and outside, and yeah, weld them in, then rinse and repeat. Okay, we're getting it closer. So I've bronze welded these two bits together. Now I've just got to make them fit before I weld them in. So just cutting little bits out at a time until it fits perfectly, and then I'll weld it in. Can you tell I like metalworking better than rubbing primer? And there we go, that's that side done. Both sides. So I ended up silicon bronzing this seam here as well, just to be sure that it's not going to leak. So yeah, I will do a leak test before I do any epoxy lining. It's got to be filled with water anyway, with the chemical stuff to eat any excess rust. But now I've got to do this side. It is nearly knock-off time, but I will get a start. Might at least get the bits cut out and shaped up before I knock off. I won't get them welded in. But yeah, tomorrow I'm going to work too. It's Saturday, but it'll be on the XT again. But yeah, hopefully I get this tank knocked over and out next week so I can concentrate on getting the HJ done. Yeah. So this is what I did in my last hour. I've got about 3% battery left, so quickly. As you can see, it's fitting pretty well. I'll come out during the week after work and weld that in, I do believe. So that'll do for now. It's knock-off time. Friday. Hey! Okay. It's actually Sunday. I did do a bit of work yesterday on the XT here. I managed to get the inside of 2 of the doors primed up, so I've got something to rub on Monday because most of this is done. So yeah, I did a couple of little spot primes too. There's more to go, but yeah, that's about it for the week on the XT. We'll be back on Monday, which is tomorrow, and yeah, we'll do some more priming on the other doors and start rubbing the inside. So this is well underway to be close to being done by the end of next week. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna sign off here. I've started a new build series. Well, I'm filming it right now, so I'm gonna go back down and get into that because I've got dirty hands, as you can see. I've already started. So anyway, that was a little bit incoherent, but I'm going to sign off on that note, and I'll see you when I'm looking at you. Oh, like and subscribe and all that shit. See you guys.